visited the Søstrene Grenes, or as it says here, all over the world. This is, well, this is a Liquorice Cane, but this is Anna and Clara's Finnish Howler Salt Liquorice Cane with sugar. That's what this is. It's a little bit squidgy. It's got like a dark interior. This really may not be for everyone. For sure. Does look like best before date. Interesting. When did I buy that? Anyway, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter at all. It's the best before. It's fine. Because we are after that date, as you can see if you check your chronometers. So here it is in all of its wobbly glory. It unsurprisingly smells like licorice. But yeah, it's got a bit of a bend for sure. So we're ready. Looking at the business end of a piece of licorice like this, and that was probably more weird. Anyway, doesn't matter. In we go. Definitely salty. Definitely licoricey. I can't make out what's in the middle. But it's really rather salty indeed. Ooh. It's this bit I can't judge what the flavour is. I get the licoriciness, the saltiness, and something else. Yeah, definitely. If you're into licorice, you may be into this, but you might not be into this. But if you're into salty licorice, this may be your jam. Or should I say pickle, as opposed to jam being savoury. Anyway, smell. I'm still wondering what that scent of it is. I can't perceive it. Not very good of me, is it? I enjoy it. I think it's I don't know if it's the licorice that's salty or the inside that's more salty. But I'm definitely going to enjoy this. Thanks for watching. And are you a fan of licorice? Let me know. Please follow, like, share, subscribe, you know, the jam. And till next time, ta-ta.